Friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee, and today we will learn how to compute EOQ or economic order quantity in material costing. About 200 units are required per quarter. Rupees 100 per order is incurred for placing an order. The inventory carrying cost per unit is rupees 4. The reorder level is 350 units. The minimum usage is 25 units per week and the reorder periods is 4 to 6 weeks. Compute A. Economic order quantity. B. Maximum level. So EOQ is calculated by the formula 2AO by C, where EOQ is the economic order quantity, is the economic order quantity. A is the annual requirement. So here 200 units per quarter. So there are 4 quarters. So 800 unit is the annual requirement. O means the ordering cost. Ordering cost per order. So here it is rupees 100. And C is the carrying cost. This is very vital. So this is the carrying cost per unit per annum. This is the carrying cost per unit per annum. So here in this case it is given as rupees 4. So we need to just put the values in this formula. So 2 into 800 into rupees 100 divided by rupee 4. So this gives 200 units. So EOQ is 200 units. The next is the maximum level. So maximum level is equal to reorder quantity plus reorder level minus minimum uses into minimum delivery period. So reorder quantity is the 200. Reorder quantity or EOQ is the same thing. So these are the synonyms. So EOQ or reorder quantity is the same. So this is 200. Reorder level given as 350 unit. Minimum usage is 25 unit and minimum delivery period is 4. So maximum level is 450 units. About 50 items are required every day for a machine. A fixed cost of rupees 50 per order is incurred for placing an order. The inventory carrying cost per item amounts to rupee 0.02 per day. The lead period is 32 days. Compute economic order quantity to reorder level. So EOQ is given by the formula 2AO by C. So A is the annual requirement. So here 50 units per day into 365 units. O is the ordering cost per order. So this is rupees 50 per order. And C is the carrying cost per unit per annum. So in this case, this is 0.02 into 365. 0.02 is the carrying cost per unit per day. So into 365 days. So this is per unit per annum. So I just put the values in the formula. So 2 into A is 50 into 365. Ordering cost is rupees 50. Carrying cost is 0.02 into 365. So this will cancel out and you will get a value of 500 units. The next is the reorder level. Reorder level is equal to lead time consumption or lead period into consumption per day. So what is lead period? The day on which the order is placed and the day when the order is received. So this is the gap between the date of placement of order and when the order is received. So this is the period, the gap period between the order is placed and when the order is received. So this is given as 32 days and consumption per day is 50 unit. So this gives 1600 units. Hope you have understood the problem and I request to subscribe the channel to get regular updates. Thank you.